This time I updated my personal AnimateDiff workflow, adding generation weights, which makes the result almost completely separate from the original video.
This background comes from a user on Reddit.
For the first generated video, besides adding frames, I also performed color correction using a color correction node.
In my long-term practice, I found that using AnimateDiff with contrast causes the image to yellow, and it's almost impossible to fix.
I don't know why no one has brought up this question.
This workflow, I won't share it, but I can still provide some ideas, especially regarding background control. I use T2I adapter for controlling the background. The model I use is version 3.
No matter which model it is, all of them rely on reverse diffusion in Stable Diffusion. Once you perform reverse diffusion, randomness will always exist. Don't get stuck on absolute control there, let's look at the basic principles instead.
The future will definitely be on videos.
If images aren't a must-have for you, you'll definitely have to switch to videos.
This video includes not just animated GIFs, but also SVD and upcoming updates to SVD, as well as the newly released Drag Newer.
Navigate to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1,200 points. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click start AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.